Clarksville Collision Center is proud to be ICAR Gold Class certified. What is ICAR? ICAR stands for Inter-Industry Conference of Auto Collision Repair and is an international, not-for-profit training organization that offers classes, activities, and resources that focus on helping the collision industry to achieve a high level of technical training. When an individual auto collision repair technician is ICAR certified, it means that the technician has achieved and maintained a certain level of training and excellence with collision repair. Why is an ICAR certification important for a collision shop? With today's high sophisticated vehicles, repair technicians need to stay constantly updated on every aspect of the repair job, including new technologies, equipment, and methods. ICAR provides that essential training for Clarksville Collision's technicians. When you take your vehicle to Clarksville Collision Center and you see the ICAR logo proudly displayed in its waiting area and on its website, you can rest assured that they have the knowledge and experience to repair your vehicle correctly and safely, to keep your ride looking and performing optimally for many years to come. For more information on their ICAR Gold Class certification, or if you want to schedule an appointment, call or visit the website today.